Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jaden Fedock. We are here with a 2019 Tesla Model S, doing some tests on the new version 10 software update. Obviously, very exciting that they're able to do over-the-air updates for free for all of their new Teslas, so that's something that we absolutely support. And let's go get to testing some of the Smart Summon capabilities. Okay, so first test we're going to do here, and you can see our Tesla up here in the corner. We're going to do a quick and easy test from this parking spot over to where we are right now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, our second Smart Summon Tesla test. The car is right here, sitting behind me, and we're going to see how well it can do. This is an empty parking lot. Should not be any issues, any problems there. There are a couple medians that it's going to have to look out for, but let's see how it does. Okay, our second test of the Smart Summon. The car is behind us here. It's behind a median, so it's going to have to go around the median all the way on either side. I guess it could pick, but we'll see if it can handle maneuvering in the parking lot. Again, no cars around us. The only thing it has to maneuver is the parking lot itself, obstacles in its way, and this median. So let's see how it does. Okay, so the first few tests of Tesla Smart Summon were wildly successful. Here's the car right here, and it worked really, really well. So we did our pedestrian test. It was able to stop before it ran into me, and actually well in advance. Something to note is that it actually gives you a significant margin. So it was like 20 feet away before it ran into me. There it goes again, another test. I wonder if it's gonna run into me. I'll step away. Okay, and there it goes again. So this is actually quite impressive. This car is driving itself to wherever you want it to go inside a parking lot. It's going around the little bend that we made, a little obstacle course for it. So it's actually been quite successful. We're really happy with it. One of the tests we still want to do is objects in the road, see if it runs over something. Like if someone drops a bag in the road, is it going to run that over? Other things that we want to make sure that this is capable of to use it in the real world. Okay. Third, maybe fourth test of our Smart Summon. I'm not really sure where we're at right now. New test is going to be this diaper bag. So we put that on the road. I should say no babies were harmed in the making of this video. It's just the diaper bag. Potentially some diapers will get run over, but let's go ahead and test it out. So here we go. Stop. So what we learned from this experience is that the Tesla is not looking out for maybe potentially diaper bags that have been left in the road. So this test was failed. So after running over our diaper bag with extreme prejudice, we're going to test it with something that's just a little bit easier to see. This is our traffic cone that we borrowed. Let's see if it can handle that. Okay, so a much better showing with our traffic cone test. It avoided the cone, it saw it, it intentionally swerved to not hit the cone, so that test was passed. Okay, new test. Here's the Tesla. We've also got this mound of dirt. We're gonna see if it actually can maneuver around the dirt. Since it is in kind of a mound, there's a good chance that it's going to run over at least the corner of it and get itself dirty. So we'll find out. Okay, so in conclusion, there are a lot of things that the Tesla Smart Summon software does excellently. It really does a great job of moving around obvious objects in the roads and in the parking lot. Our third test was very successful in that it was able to go around all of the medians and find us in a different section of the parking lot. So it truly is quite amazing the functionality that it has. It has a lot of potential, but there were some significant errors that I would probably be concerned about if I wanted to unleash this thing in an actual public parking lot. So all in all, a very successful experience, and I think something that is moving in the right direction, a Tesla functionality that's very fun and exciting. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.